Hi everyone.
Hi everyone. In the previous video, we created an alert dialog for better user experience. In this video, we will create a second alert dialog for a special case. And this case is when a user permanently denies the location permission. In that case, we don't want to take the user immediately to the location, to the app settings. Instead, we want to display an alert dialog asking them to open the app settings or cancel it. So let's jump into code and start the design. It will be very similar to what we did previously. So I'm just going to copy paste the whole permission dialog we created. And let's name this app settings dialog. This time we don't need these variables. Instead, there's going to be two actions, so two functions. One of them is for taking the user to the app settings, and the second one is canceling the dialog. So these will be just simple functions. Open app settings and a second function for cancel dialog. Let's do a simple refactor. Okay, of course, we are going to change the title of our dialog. Erkan, what should we write here? You are good with naming.
We can say you need to open app settings to grant location permission.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. And uh, I'm going to change, of course, we are going to get rid of two rows. One row is enough for us. And we are going to, there is no more these booleans. Okay, perfect. And instead of the location services, we are going to, by the way, let me show you what we are doing. We are doing something very similar to this, but instead of having two rows, we just need one row. On the left side, we will have the cancel button. On the right side, we will have the open app settings button. Let's name this open app settings. And this one, cancel. And for better user experience, let's make this text widget red color. So style, text style, color. Perfect. And let's change these names. Open app settings pressed and cancel pressed. Of course, our actions are going to change. Actually, you know what? Since we have the functions, we are passing them to our widget tree. We are not going to do any actions here. We are going to do them further up in the tree. So here we will just call the functions, necessary functions. Here it was open app settings function that we created in the stateless widget. And here cancel dialog, I guess. Yes, perfect. And we can carry these debug prints up in the tree. I will do it a little bit later. Cancel. Okay. So let's make another copy paste. Instead of when the user presses this allow button, instead of requesting the permission like we do on line 131, we need to show a second alert dialog. So let's find the code that we displayed the first alert dialog in, and it's here. Okay, let's copy this whole thing. And instead of requesting the location permission, we are going to copy paste it here. We don't need these two variables anymore. And instead of showing the permission dialog, we are going to show our new app settings dialog. And it's going to expect us tool functions, open app settings, and cancel dialog. Let's fill these in. First, starting with the debug prints. I don't want two prints to happen. This was for open app settings. And then we will put the actions. Okay. Canceling the dialog is very easy. We just need to pop the second dialog, and popping the dialog is as simple as this one. And when the user presses open app settings, we just need to call our application layer. Instead of opening the location settings for the services case, this one, we need to open app settings. And this is all. So let's see if everything works as expected. When we press the allow button here, our second dialog appears with our new title. And on the left side, it says open app settings. On the right side, it says cancel. So let's first try with cancel. And it just dismisses the second dialog. And when we press open app settings, it takes us to the app settings, and we permanently denied the permission here. We will be the user will be able to change it accordingly. Let's go back to our app. And Erkan, the second dialog is ready. What are we going to do in the next video?
As you see right now, we are opening the second dialog to allow the user to go to the app settings and change grant the location permission. We display this dialog anyways right now, but we need to display the second dialog only if the user permanently denies the permission. So in the next video, we are going to implement the business logic side of this feature. So that's it.
Okay. And see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.